Hi, I'm Patrick.
And I'm Liv.
And this is the Mach-E vlog. We are at the LA Auto Show and specifically at the Ford booth, and we're going to take a tour of everything that Ford has on offer here.
Let's go. To start off with, they have this test track here. They are taking people on drive-alongs with the Mustang Mach-E GT. They have a Cyber Orange. They have a Grabber Blue. Do they have a Rapid Red?
They have a Rapid Red. Oh, yeah, here comes the Rapid Red. It doesn't look so bad on GoPro, but that is just sort of crazy.
If you watch that video with Kyle Connor and Out of Spec Motors where he took our Mach-E and kind of peeled it around the mountain, then you'd recognize that sound.
So let's go see what else they have.
Yeah.
One of the cool things that Ford has done is they brought in some of their customized builds from the SEMA Auto Show. For example, this F100 is a electric conversion that they've done using a Mustang Mach-E motor that you can actually order. So if you want to do your own conversions, very cool. But let's go ahead and
Should we try it? Do our own conversion?
No. The battery's like super expensive.
Is it?
So let's check out some of the other Ford stuff. Here's a Ford GT, which of course is very, very, very cool.
I think there's one definite star of this area though, and that is of course the F-150 Lightning. Who can walk by the Mega Power Front and not stop?
Have you seen the Mega Power Front?
Shocking.
It's so cool. Of course, this is the electric F-150 that's coming out next year. They're in pre-production right now.
Yeah, that's just fine. I'll see you later. Bye. How do I look?
Very good.
Okay. It's so weird because it's like a Mach-E, like it has some Mach-E features, but it's very much not a Mach-E. The steering wheel's bigger, right?
Probably.
Yeah. Same screen, which looks different because it has this border. Isn't that interesting? It's almost like...
I like the physical buttons beneath it.
Yeah, that's kind of nice. I love the dial. Man, there's a lot of features here. The front and back side cup holders, or cup holders.
But that armrest, you can fold it forward.
Wow.
And then now you have a work surface.
Writing down what
Or
you're doing.
donut surface, depending on your
what
priorities.
you would use it for.
So here we are with Linda Zhang. She is the chief engineer on the F-150 Lightning. It is amazing to meet her, and I know you're super proud of this amazing product. So what do you want to tell us about it in 5 seconds or less?
Yeah, sure. It's an awesome truck, and because it's a truck, our customers can expect built Ford tough with capability and durability. But on top of that, we've elevated even further with electrification and awesome performance, right? 0 to 60 in mid 4 seconds, 775 foot-pounds of torque, 563 horsepower. But not only that, a lot of awesome features like our Mega Power Front. Push of a button. The Mega Power Front will go up by itself, revealing this giant cavern of space in the front, 400 liters of volume, and of course, because it's F-150 built Ford tough, 400 pounds of payload in the front alone. And not only that, we're leveraging the battery within this truck to be able to provide exportable power for our customers, whether it's at home with intelligent backup power, autonomously turning on when it detects a power surge or a power outage, or power on the go with Pro Power on board, one plug at a time. We have 21 charge points on the vehicle between outlets, USBs, and others. So really, really exciting space.
And they're in pre-production now.
Yes.
So when are like the first customers going to get the chance to get the key?
Yeah, so we're still on track for spring of 22. So
That's
very
awesome.
Excited about that, and lots of reservations so far.
Yeah, I believe last I heard was 160,000.
That's right.
That's
160,000. So
Very cool. Well, very nice to meet you, and
Nice to meet you
it's
too.
like just such an honor. Thank you for like creating such a great product.
oh no, thank you so much, and thanks for being a great customer.
Thank you. Here's a 2021 F-150 Raptor Super Crew. They have several Mustang Mach-E's. The GT Performance Edition is over there in cyber orange. This is a premium in red.
Absolutely beautiful.
This is a carbonized gray.
I got a question for you. How do you pronounce this paint color?
The pink color.
The TJIN. How do we say that?
That's just the version.
Chin? Chin? Thank you. So out of their mouths, this is the Gin Edition.
Gin Edition.
Gin Edition. There.
This is from SEMA as well. Very cool. Very low Mach-E.
Yeah.
And a couple of e-bikes on the back.
What was your name again?
Savannah.
Savannah, thanks so much for driving us today.
Yeah, absolutely. All right.
We actually have a Grabber Blue first edition.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, so this is super cool. I haven't been in a GT before.
Nice.
Yeah, don't make us want to upgrade.
I know.
Oh no.
He already does. I don't know who's kidding.
I just go through my script, you know, I just work here. But yeah, they are pretty awesome. We've spent a lot of time in the premium models as well. And honestly, for the display that we're doing here, the GTs have a lot more torque and a lot more power, obviously, but we're not really even able to like get into it and use it a ton because of the space given to us. But as you'll see with the really slick surface, the all-wheel drive does a really good job of putting all that torque down.
Ooh.
A little bit of added drama here.
Ah, it feels very dramatic. Oh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa. Wow, good job, man. Great driving.
I take care of you. We all come from motorsports background.
Oh, awesome.
This is the day job. But yeah, I mean, it's really what's awesome about the GTs and all of the Mach-E's in general is just how instant the torque hits. It really does a really good job of putting that down so instantly, but also there's like no drama to it at all. So
no
the traction
kidding.
is definitely next level. And then obviously we have the brakes to back it up when we need it.
So here's a big question.
Yes.
Which do you like best, the Grabber Blue or the Cyber Orange?
I'm a blue person. I'm going to go with blue.
Yeah, that's what we have.
I do like the cyber orange, but I'm the first person to usually stay away from like warm tones. So
that's
I'm
fair.
a cool tone person, but I think the cyber orange, I like it. I'm not going to say that I don't like it.
It's pretty. It's pretty for sure.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, it matches your uniform.
Yeah, I
Grabber
am
Blue.
definitely, no, there's a reason I'm in the blue one. I was like, that looks pretty, that's mine.
I do have to say, these seats are pretty amazing, Patrick.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they're pretty nice.
Yeah, definitely. They have the extra like bolsters on the side. Definitely hug you a little bit more, especially if you were gonna do any like autocross or track stuff.
Here's another custom one from SEMA.
Which is actually my favorite paint color. Overall, it's absolutely beautiful.
Enjoy the rest of your time here at the Los Angeles Auto Show, and thanks to your Amanda for helping me out. Thank you.
How about the price comparison?
And then carbonized gray with the light interior.
Oh yeah, I haven't seen it with the light interior. I've seen.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's electric. It's exciting because it's electric. That's all.
Okay, let's check out some other Mustangs. They have a Maverick up on the stage. This is a Shelby.
It's kind of fun doing a walkthrough because I just see what things I would love to be electrified. Like the Maverick. I would love the Maverick to be electrified, wouldn't you?
Oh yeah, very much. They have a hybrid Maverick, but they do not have a fully electric. And this is a Mustang RTR Series 1. So this is the normal Maverick, which I think is going to be a super big hit. Here's one showing the utility of the Maverick with some wood loaded in the back. And here's a custom Maverick from SEMA as well, lowered, some extra attachments to the truck bed. A Ford Escape.
A lot of people have mentioned wanting this electric.
Yeah, I think this would be a good size for an electric vehicle.
Yeah. It's actually a really beautiful driver's screen there.
And then lots of Bronco stuff, Bronco accessories, and we're going to get to the Bronco. Let's hit the Bronco Sport first. Now this is built basically on the Escape platform, but I think it looks a lot cooler. And I know Liv likes this one a lot.
I really do.
And there's so many accessories available for the Bronco Sport as well as the Bronco. There's an Expedition.
Want to see that?
And here's a custom one from SEMA as well. I love the stripes. Let's
How
add
cute
this.
is it?
Yeah, we need to add this to all cars.
Yeah, it's so retro. I love it.
And what everybody wants to see, the Bronco. They have several Broncos here. They really need to do an electric one of this. That would be very cool.
This is fun. It's just fun seeing people having a great time trying out the vehicles, and this, it's adorable. I know they're not meaning to be adorable, but I think it is.
I like the two-door Bronco a lot.
Yeah.
And of course, this one has the doors removed. And now we are outside. This is like an extension of the Ford booth. It is specifically for the Ford Bronco. So they have several Broncos out here, including the Bronco Sport. They have a 4-door, they have a 2-door, and some of the accessories up on the wall over here.
Super awesome.
And of course, what we're excited about behind us is they have like a Bronco mini course that we're going to try to hop in.
And
one
look
of the Broncos.
over here. Come here. That looks crazy from here. Doesn't that look crazy? So we're gonna go do that, the whole tour, and see what that's like. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Shelby Hall.
Oh my gosh,
Hey.
that's his mom's name.
My mom's named Shelby, yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
And my niece now.
Yeah.
Very
nice.
cool. Well, I feel like we're few and far between.
Truly.
But yeah, it isn't as common nowadays.
It's not.
What are we in?
All right, so we are in a Badlands.
Ooh.
Yeah, which this is kind of your like rock crawling Bronco. It's really geared towards. I mean, I would say more your rock crawler, maybe not necessarily your like avid off-roader. And I say more of your rock crawler because it has this special stay bar disconnect feature.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
It's pretty cool.
This is crazy knowing what we just went up on.
Yeah, no.
Like, I don't even know how to capture it. Like, we're sideways.
We're about to be.
Uh-huh.
So these are our hero switches. So we've got our stay bar disconnect, we've got our front and our rear lockers, and then we have our trail turn assist. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock both our front and our
Oh,
rear.
wow. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
And then I'm gonna try to put us on.
Whoa.
Hey, yeah, we got our back wheel off the ground. Although, I mean, I love it when we get an opportunity to watch another vehicle because it doesn't feel very crazy.
No.
Right?
But
Like,
it looks
and
ridiculous.
from outside, I mean, we are definitely like a foot and a half off the ground.
That's
But-
crazy. Whoa, my gosh. Oh my gosh.
So I just disconnected our stay bar, and you could definitely feel the level change.
Yeah.
So the really cool thing and unique to Bronco is that you can disconnect the stay bar under a load, which is exactly what we were just doing.
Wow.
The vehicle was not level. The weight was not distributed evenly, and yet we were still able to disconnect the stay bar.
And this is a sand pit now.
Yeah, a big old playpen.
Ooh. I love the cameras.
Me too, especially in the 12-inch screen.
Yeah, that is awesome.
So I just activated our trail turn assist. So the vehicle recognizes when I'm at full steer. It applies the brake to the rear tire, and we just pivot.
Wow.
We
That's
just
awesome.
turn on a dime. So if we had enough space, we could just do the most perfect donuts. I like to call it donut road.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. This is disconcerting. This is very disconcerting. The ground is there. The ground is by your
there.
face.
So we are on a 20-degree side hill.
That's crazy.
I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the stay bar one more time, just to give you a feel for how it allows the vehicle to behave just a little more independently.
Oh my gosh. Wow. I mean, every time you move, it feels very comfortable, but that's very disconcerting when you disconnect it. It's like we're falling. Oh my gosh.
This is just such a cool camera view. I come from super like old school. I learned how to off-road with no lockers. I mean, you used momentum. You didn't have cameras. I had to like train myself to look here.
I'm sure.
This is such, the technology is incredible.
Wow.
All right, I'm gonna lock the front, lock the rear, first gear, and we're gonna climb up this thing.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is really weird. Oh my Lord. Oh my gosh.
That's super cool.
Okay, the first time you ever did that, that was weird, right?
For sure.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
That is scary.
Well, and I will say, like I said, I am an off-roader, and I think the fact that it's all metal is what freaked me out the most.
Yeah.
If that was a dirt mountain, oh, I would fly up that thing, no questions asked. Like, but the fact that I was like, hang on, that's man-made? I don't know how I feel about that.
You know, and
Somebody else go up that first.
It's even crazier up there. Like, I thought it would be less crazy, but it's crazier.
We made it.
We made it. Thank you so much, Shelby. That was
Absolutely.
awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Here's the Ranger, and apparently the next generation Ranger is getting ready to be announced, I think on November 24th, I heard. So here's Ford's other electric vehicle that's coming out next year, and it's an E-Transit delivery van, and it can be customized inside to do all sorts of job functions, and has actually a very high-tech interior. And one of the cool things about this, as well as the F-150 Lightning, is has fleet management, so it can report in to the fleet manager about charge levels, driver performance, as in if you are driving the van too aggressively. Liv likes it.
Well, hi. I like that you can stand up in it.
Yeah.
It's just kind of cool. So that's about it for what Ford has on offer here at the booth here. It's really awesome to see what EVs they have and all the other vehicles too. And I know that in a year, 2 years, 3 years, when we come back here, the EV options are just going to get better and better. And I can't wait to see what they come up with.
I think Ford has a very exciting lineup. Of course, we're interested in the EV side of things. Lots of great new vehicles and more to come. Jim Farley is really pushing the EV transition for Ford. So stay tuned for lots more EV stuff from Ford. Stay tuned for lots more Mach-E stuff from us. Lots more EV stuff from us. And what else? Is that it? I think that's it.
And just remember that whatever you drive, enjoy the ride.
Bye.
Bye.